Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into your Simplifi account. To log into Simplifi by Quicken, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Once you do that, go to the URL box and type in simplifimoney.com. After you are in the main homepage of Quicken's Simplifi, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to the sign in option. Now in the pop-up, click on Sign In button right under My Account. Now enter your Quicken ID or your ID associated with your Simplifi account in the first text box. Once you do that, click on Continue. On the next page, type in your password associated with your Quicken ID. If you don't remember your password, you can click the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in your ID and password, click Sign In and enter the 6 digits verification code sent to you via your SMS for the registered number. You can also go ahead and click on Email Me a code instead if you want to verify via email. Now wait for the SMS code or the email code that should arrive, and once it does, simply type in the verification code that you received, whether via SMS or via your email, and click Submit. And soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Simplifi account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.